Time on 6.1. 6.2 is the second major requirement, information security objective. There is a reason kung bakit ko pinakita kanina yung policy statement. Okay? The policy statement must be supported by objectives. The policy statements are high-level statements, high-level directions of where we want to go and where we want to be. Now, para matupad yung nasa policy statement, kailangan suportahan siya ng objectives, information security objectives. Gagawa tayo niyan mamaya, no? I'll discuss first the minor objectives, planning for changes. Now, changes are a business reality. Diba? Business reality yan. We change management. No? We change policies. We change processes. Now, for information security, may mga changes there. Changes in the software that we are using. Changes in the servers that we are using. A change in the maintenance provider that we are using. Okay yan. Kasi business reality yan eh. Ano sabi ng standard? When there are changes, it should be planned. Diba, compliance officers? So you need to show na nagplano kayo. For example, Z, no? In your region, meron kayong change na ginawa. You've migrated from one system to another. Okay? Since requirement yung planning, it is expected that you'll be able to show some form of documents, records, I don't know, meron kang Gantt chart, no? You may have a simple Excel table na nakalagay, month 1, ito yung gagawin namin, month 2, ito yung gagawin. No? Kahit ano, kasi hindi naman sinabi na standard, kung ano yun eh. Ang sabi na standard, when there are changes, it should be planned. That's the requirement. It's up to us to show evidence that we have done the planning. Okay, so that's how the standard works. The standard gives requirements, we implement the requirements, and then make sure that there is evidence. In the case of 6.3, there must be evidence of planning. O sige nga, compliance officers, what are evidences of planning? Minutes of the meeting, that's the easiest one. Saka yung mga sinabi ko, a Gantt chart, no? A project implementation chart. What else? A timetable, di ba? Assigned responsibilities, di ba? Budget, lahat yan. Lahat yan acceptable evidence that there is planning. Okay. Let's go into 6.2. Workshop tayo mabilis. Workshop tayo. Okay? The workshop is all about information security objectives. Oh, these are examples of information security objectives. Let's look at the tech support. 90% of tech support requests are addressed on time. All equipment are patched within 24 hours of a patch release. Importante ba yan? Yes. Diba? Ano ang sabi ng marketing? All new clients are issued with non-disclosure agreement prior to the start of the project. That's an objective. Okay? Moving on further. IT department. 95% of malicious software attack are stopped. Another objective, 100% of computers connected to the network contain the approved antivirus software and that updates are pushed every third day. On the HR side, 100% of the required number of awareness courses are completed for the current year. And then you can also have objectives on certain projects. For example, completion of the cybersecurity project within 2024 and within the approved budget. You notice guys, yung mga objectives, it comes with certain numbers. Di ba? Merong metrics. Now, when we establish objective, dapat measurable siya. Because at the end of the period, no, we want to be able to say, we want to be able to answer the question, na-meet nyo ba yung objective? Diba? For us to answer kung na-meet natin yung objective, dapat may target tayo. No, merong metric which is a quantitative measure. Oh, quick workshop tayo. Quick workshop. Each region, no, 2 objectives for information security. And I want you to take into consideration the unique conditions that you have in your respective regions. No? Maybe yung issues kay Region 5, iba sa issues kay Region 1. Diba? So, remember that when we put objective or we establish objectives because we want to improve something or we want to address an existing problem. Okay? O, sige. 15 minutes. All regions, 2 information security objectives. Pag sinabi kong information security objective, it must be anchored on CIA. Right? Okay, 15 minutes. Sino pinaka-secretary natin?
Meron po tayo sa yung documentary sa likod.
Sino kaya yung who would receive all of the objectives so we can flash later on?
Sir, doon na lang po siguro. Meron po kami Google site for the activity output.
Sige. For the activity output, please share it saan? Sa Google chat?
Google site po.
Google site?
Yes po.
Alright, sige. Doon na lang isa. Sandali na nga, 2 objectives na.
Information security. GCA, saan na natin mo?
Sa Google site naman, sir.
Google site. Saan dito mo?
Yung
Sa
dulo,
day-
sir. Activity.
ito. Day, ano?
Day 3 po.
I don't have permission.
Okay.
Hindi kami ano.
I-word lang ba natin ito? Document lang?
Text, naka-text mo sa akin.
Wait lang, sir.
Mag-new ano na lang ako dun sa drive. New
Ano,
docs.
Ay, wait. Naka-ano po. Sige, sir. Ano na lang.
Saan ma'am? Sa day 3 mismo?
Ako. Pa-try ako, sir.
Ayan ako na sa day 3.
Okay na po. third day po.
Eh, ano pala tayo?
Wala lang.